Hi and welcome to Geeks for Geeks. In this tutorial, we will learn about multidimensional arrays in C++. To declare a multidimensional array in C++, the syntax for doing the same is here. If x and y are the two sizes of the 2D array, then the total number of elements it can store is x into y. For a 3D array, the total number of elements it can store is x into y into z. Elements in 2D array are commonly referred by x, I, j, where I is the row number and j is the column number. Both I and j vary from 0 to n-1 and 0 to m-1 respectively. Here you can see a 2D array representation. Now let's learn how to initialize a 2D array. This is how we initialize a 2D array. Here 3 is the element 0, 0 or the first element of the array. 1 is 0, 1. 2 is stored at 0, 2 and so on. To access the values stored in this array and draw a table just like we saw, we have to use two for loops since it is a two-dimensional array. Like here we are doing so. We have one for loop starting from 0 to 2 and the inner for loop starting from 0 to 3. We can understand that these statements are going to run in total 12 times, in which we are just printing the array. When I equal to 0, we will print all values from j equal to 0 to j equal to 3. That is, all values including array 0, 0, array 0, 1, array 0, 2 and so on. Similarly, when I equal to 1, we will print all the values from j equal to 0 to 3. And similarly for all the values of I. Let's run this code. We can see that a similar table is printed. We can store values in a 2D array like this, but this is a naive method of initialization. Now let's learn about 3D arrays. Let's see an example for initialization of a 3D array. The dimension for a 3D array is this. We just did an array of dimension 3 cross 4, that was a 2D array. For a 3D array, we are just taking two such 3 cross 4 arrays like this. We can understand that for accessing the values, we will need 3 for loops like this. We are using the for loops in a similar way like we used in the last case. Let's run this code. We can see that all the values are printed as expected. In case we do not want to initialize the array and want to take input, we can simply use a scene statement like this. So this brings us to the end of this video tutorial. Thank you for watching. Please leave us your likes and comments in the comment section.